Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use UPBASE for fashion show coordination. This is your full 2025 guide, so you can stay ahead of the game. First things first, you're going to want to log into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one, it's pretty straightforward to set up. Now, the reason we're using UPBASE is because it's a platform designed to streamline project management and collaboration, making it perfect for coordinating something as complex as a fashion show. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Projects tab. This is where you'll create a new project for your fashion show. Assign it a name that's clear and easy to identify. The reason we do this is to keep things organized and ensure that everyone involved knows exactly where to find all the necessary information. Now that we've done that, let's talk about team members. To add your team members, just go to Teams under the People tab. This is where you can add your models, designers, makeup artists, and anyone else involved in the fashion show. This helps us because it centralizes communication, making it easier for everyone to stay on the same page. Next up is the Tasks tab. Here you'll assign tasks to your team members. Be specific about what each task involves to avoid any confusion. For instance, you'll want to specify fittings for each model, when and where rehearsals will take place, and what the setup and breakdown processes will be. Let me explain why this matters. Detailing tasks not only helps you delegate effectively, but it also helps everyone involved understand their individual roles and responsibilities. Now, let's move on to the Calendar feature. This is where you'll schedule all your tasks, rehearsals, and the main event. The reason we do this is to avoid any scheduling conflicts and ensure that everyone is aware of important dates and times. Finally, we have the Files tab. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This is where you can upload and share documents like contracts, design sketches, and floor plans. Having all these files in one place is crucial for keeping track of all the details and ensuring everyone has access to the information they need. And there you have it. That's your crash course in using UPBASE for fashion show coordination. Remember, the key to a successful fashion show is all in the details and how well you manage them. With UPBASE, you've got a powerful tool at your fingertips that will help you keep everything in order. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay stylish.